Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make chicken tortilla soup. Chicken tortilla soup is so flavorful and comforting. This version includes cream cheese, which gives it a perfect amount of creaminess. And my favorite part is adding in all the toppings, and my kids just love it. Let's get started. Begin by heating oil in a pan over medium-high heat and add 1 diced onion and 3 minced garlic cloves. I'm going to cook this down until it's slightly softened, so this will take about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to stir in 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1.5 teaspoons of cumin. Now I'm going to add 4 cups of chicken broth, 16 ounces of canned tomato sauce, 4-ounce can of green chilies, and I don't know what happened to my camera, but I also added in 1 cup of frozen corn and a 15-ounce can of black beans that I drained. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so I can continue to share simple and delicious recipes with you guys. And if you're not new, welcome back. So I'm going to bring everything to a boil and then let it simmer over medium-low heat for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes has passed, I'm going to add 4 ounces, which is half a bar of cream cheese. I did cut the bar into cubes so that it would melt quicker. It's a little cold out, so I was really looking forward to this soup. The weather here in Southern California has kind of been bipolar. It's like high 80s one day and then the next day it's in the 60s. But whatever the weather is, this soup is so delicious. It's perfect any day of the year. Don't forget to watch until the end to see my son's reactions to the taste test. Season the soup with salt and pepper and let it simmer uncovered for about another 10 minutes. I kind of like to push the cream cheese against the wall of the pan so that it helps it melt. So now that the cheese has melted through, it turns into this gorgeous orange color. Now I'm going to stir in 2 cups of shredded chicken. You can either purchase a rotisserie chicken at the grocery store and shred it up, or you can season a chicken breast with salt and pepper and bake it in the oven, which is what I did. We're going to let this simmer until the chicken is heated through. This will take about 2 minutes and we're ready to serve it. This is called chicken tortilla soup, so of course we need tortilla chips. I'm using a bag of blue corn tortilla chips, but you can use any tortilla chips you like. Quick story, when I tested this recipe, I actually tried to make fresh corn tortilla chips, and I had the pans side by side, and when I opened the lid to the soup, some of the water spilled into the hot oil and it wasn't pretty. So keeping the theme of simple and delicious, I'm sticking to a bag of chips. Here are some other toppings that go really well with this soup. We have some shredded cheese, some sour cream, and some chopped cilantro. This soup is so warm, flavorful, and comforting. I can't wait to dig in. I like to add in the cheese while it's hot so it just melts into the soup. You can leave out the cilantro if you're not a fan, but I love cilantro. And lastly, I'm adding the tortilla chips, which gives it a nice crispy texture. Seriously, don't you want to dive into a bowl of this? Cheers! Cheers! All right, cheers. Cheers.
Go.
Okay, you want to scare the camera.
Go. Go. Dip it. Dip it.
Dip it right here. Yum. How you like it? Yummy? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.